Who said you can't have a little bit of paradise in South Lakeland? Lakefront living, if it's for you, then you're gonna wanna take a look at this home. 4-bedroom, 2-bath. It's in fantastic condition. A lot of nice updates. Let's go take a look. So today we are at Twin Lakes at Christina. Take a look at this beautiful home, 6838 Shimmering Drive. It is a lakefront home. It's a really nice, quiet neighborhood right at the corner, or I should say the intersection of Shepherd Road, South Florida Avenue, right across the street. Shopping is close by. It's a dead-end cul-de-sac straight down there. So it's always quiet out here. I think you'll really like this home. 4-bedroom, 2-bath. Very well taken care of. 2-car garage. It is immaculate. Looks like a model home. Let's go take a nice, long walk-through, detailed look at it, so you can kind of get an idea of how it's laid out. We've got Brian, the photographer, in here taking some photos, so we will work around him. He is doing his work of art. So when you first walk in, you're gonna notice, again, a lot of attention to details. This nice ceramic tile with the pattern here, beautiful floors, separate dining area, and then immediately to the right, this has double doors, so you could close these. It's currently being used as an office, but it could be a bedroom. Double windows, because there is the closet. And so you can kind of see either way, it could be an extra sitting room, whatever you desire. They've done some nice updating in this too. So we're gonna go over here, look at this nice big dining area. You can see with the double windows there. And we're gonna head on over here to the kitchen. It's got ceramic tile flooring, lots of cabinetry, plenty of counter space, stainless steel sink. It's got the backsplash, stainless steel dishwasher, range, built-in microwave. And then this is really pleasant too. You can come over here and put a nice big round table here, kitchen nook table. You can see they got like a coffee bar set up, plenty of natural light here. And then this is a great pantry, very nice. So it's a really nice kitchen. So this is part of the open living room here. And you're gonna see the flooring continue throughout, along with plenty of window space. So if we go straight back, we'll hit the master bedroom first, which is in the left rear of the home. You're gonna see all the natural light in here. Back up here so you can see the size of this bedroom. It's really nice size. That does have cathedral ceilings. Carpeting's in great shape. Walk-in closet, plenty of spaces to hang your clothes, put your shoes. And here is the master bath. Got your sink here, the cabinets got ceramic tile flooring, and some nice updating with electrical fixtures. And then this has a tub and a shower. So it's got your tub, who likes to jump in the tub and just relax. You got your little corner here, and then it does have the shower with the shower doors. It's nice, you've got nice spacious ceilings here too, so it's got the nice open look and the open feel. I'm gonna show you that backyard in a minute, but let me show you the view you've got here from the master bedroom. You can look right out here, and there is our water, ladies and gentlemen, with a dock, and really, really nice. It's on Lake Clark, right here in South Lakeland, which kind of winds around. We'll talk more about that in a minute. And so this is a split bedroom plan. So I'm going to now walk over this. Actually, let me take out this way. Before I show you that, I wanna walk you out here. This is the bonus room area. Now this is part of their square footage because we're almost 2,000 square feet. And this has the windows, the door that's gonna lead out that way. You kind of wind around here and show it to you, so you can kind of do whatever you'd like to. You've got windows this way. Again, you've got your air vent. So let's just go on out here and take a look, see what we think. It does have a concrete slab, so it's great for the barbecue grill, put some chairs out here. Getting a nice breeze off the water right now. Boy, you don't see that a lot, but when you're around water, you tend to get more wind blowing in, usually a little bit cooler. Now, of course, we're in Florida, so what's your definition of cooler? But this is really unique. It has a sidewalk that comes right down to this dock, which is great. It's a fully fenced in yard, ideal for pets. And then they've got this right here so we can go on down. This dock does have power, as you can see by the light on the left as we walk down here. So at night, it's really pretty. And then you can open up this gate, get into your little ramp there. And then of course, these guys have a pontoon boat, which is great. So they can just kind of take off there, go into the water. Now, Lake Clark, it winds all the way around here. And if you look at an aerial, and I can always send you one, it covers a lot more over here. It's really hard to tell. So this is kind of nice because it's nice and private, like a little cove. The only rear neighbor is way back here behind these trees and this brush. And this is looking back at the house. Roof was replaced in 2022, if you're wondering. They've updated the irrigation. They've updated the water heater. So let's walk back inside here and finish showing you the house. Now again, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, it is a split bedroom plan. So you have your other 2 bedrooms and 1 bath on this side of the home. You can see this is a nice bedroom. It's got double closet doors. Just have your window there. Coming back this way, we have our other full bathroom. This does have a tub shower combination. They've done some nice little additions there. Ceramic tile flooring. Linen closet here. And then this is the back bedroom, which again has a great view. Nice closet there. And then let's just go take a look at this. Imagine just waking up here every day, opening up the blinds, and just seeing that. It's kind of nice. You don't have to close your blinds at night because you have no rear neighbors. That's a nice thing too. So I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this home. Oh, I do want to show you lastly the laundry area. So in Florida, it's always nice to have an inside laundry area right off the kitchen, which is right here. So they've got the cabinetry up here. Really nice 2-car garage here with your irrigation system, controller, your water heater, basic 2-car garage. So I hope you've enjoyed this tour. Would love to show you this home, give your own private tour, and show you this home can be yours also to make some great family memories. Thank you so much for tuning in. Just remember, whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian. Thanks for tuning in today to this video. If you would do me a favor, if you would like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Whenever I drop more videos, walkthrough videos, tips, and different perspectives on the Central Florida real estate market, you'll get notified right away, and then we can connect and I can help you with all your real estate needs. So thank you so much.